Hi, Chef Jay here. Today I'm going to make Japanese cream stew. It's a perfect winter soup that your whole family will love. You will need 1 onion, 2 potatoes, 1 carrot, 100 grams of atsage, 1/2 cup of green peas, 1 tablespoon of oil, 3 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of vegetable bouillon powder, 1 1/2 cup of water, 1 1/4 of soy milk, salt and pepper to taste. Step 1. Slice the onion and cut the carrot, potato, and atsage into small pieces. Step 2. Heat the oil in a pot over medium heat. Add the sliced onion and cook until slightly browned. Step 3. Add the potato, carrot, and atsage and cook for a few minutes. Step 4. Turn off the heat. Add the rice flour and stir until the flour is fully incorporated. Step 5. Add the bouillon powder, pour water into the pot, and turn on the heat. Stir continuously over medium heat to avoid lumps. Step 6. Lower the heat, cover with a lid, and simmer for 10 to 30 minutes or until tender. Step 7. Add green peas and soy milk, and let it simmer for a few minutes. Step 8. Season the stew with salt and pepper to taste. I hope you enjoyed this heartwarming Japanese cream stew. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free vegetarian recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/en/newsletter. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.